Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily Bitcoin update. Guys, what a dump today. We will talk about this now, so let's go. And as always, we're starting with CoinMarketCap. You can see Bitcoin is going down really hard. A minus about 6.7% on 24 hours, a minus about 5% in 7 days, and we have a bad bearish chart picture here on the right side. Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin 8% on the day, but in the week it's going down only 2.6%. The Binance coin, a minus about 10% in the day. Damn. Solana 10%, Cardano 8%, XRP 9%, 11% Polkadot, Dogecoin 8%, Avalanche 16%, and so on and so on. Guys, this is not nice for the moment. The biggest winner is Anchor, going up with 19%, Basic Attention Token is going up with 70%, Livepeer 12%, the biggest loser, Harmony 1, 70.8%, Immutable is going down with 16.6%, and Avalanche is also going down. In 7 days, the biggest winner is Gala, 178%, the Blast Zcash 63%, and the Sandbox 57%. The biggest loser on the weekly is Wax, Nixo, and Icon. So, what's going on? We have here the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is on 42.1%, Ethereum 19.7%. So what is telling us the Fear and Greed Index? We are neutral. 47 points for the day. We are neutral. It's interesting, guys. Yesterday we saw fear. Today we are neutral. That's the thing, guys, because this Fear and Greed Index is updating only one time in 24 hours. And that's the thing about this one. So yes, for the moment it's a neutral, but I think tomorrow we will see a really big fear in the market. So, okay, what is going on with the Bitcoin price prediction? Yesterday I showed you a nice thing. We will talk about this a little bit later. Now you can see the Bitcoin price prediction is going sideways and down a little bit. And we can see here 51,000 possible in the next days. This is telling us the Bitcoin price prediction. And if we are watching here the forecast, you can see we are neutral, 50% bullish, 50% bearish, and a lot of bearish things here for the EMA, SMA, and so on and so on. So the next thing is the Bitcoin dominance. What's going on with that? And yes, first of all, we saw a nice spike back up into the uptrend. After this, the next big spikes to the downside. So this is the 1 day, the 1 hour time frame, and you can see, guys, we are still in this little downtrend. It is parallel channel. We need a next pump. We need a next pump to the upside. So for the moment, it's better to trade altcoins as Bitcoin. The next stuff, what is going on with the patterns? And you can see, guys, we saw here for about, it's a 5 hour chart, for about 10 hours, we saw this one here. The three, let me show you, here it is. The 3 black crows. A bearish reversal pattern with a high reliability. What happened? Bam, look at this candle. Guys, damn. So, the next thing, Tradingfees. What is telling us this one? On the day, we should sell Bitcoin. The 4 hours, we should strong sell Bitcoin. The 2 hours, strong sell 1 hour. So, guys, this is a thing. We are not watching this really often, but for the moment, everything is red. Everything is telling us, damn, throw away your Bitcoin. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, guys. So, okay, let's move on with the next thing. And we are checking now. Let me check this one here. This is the Bitcoin chart. Guys, yesterday I showed you this resistance. What happened yesterday? We saw a nice pump to the upside. Let's zoom in a little bit more. This is the 1 hour time frame, and we saw a perfect hit of this resistance line. This was my target from yesterday. 58,900. We saw a nice pump to 59,400, and then bam, we went down again. So this big resistance from yesterday worked out. I hope, guys, you closed all your long positions here on this point after we went down here. I made a stop loss here from this nice trade to the upside under this Fibonacci line. The Fibonacci line was on a price about 58,560 at 0.236 Fibonacci line. And after this, we went down. So what happened? The big thing is, yes, we made a new lower low. That's really bad. We saw here the last point of our last hope. This was the last hope. And yes, we broke through, completely confirmed. We confirmed closing. We saw a confirmed closing candle. Now the lowest point here for the moment is on this point to the downside. And the lowest point is here on a price about 53,800. Not good. I know it, guys. If we're watching the EMA ribbon band, what can we see? We saw a nice ribbon band, a long signal here, a nice support. We broke over the EMA 200. What happened? We broke down again. EMA 200 is now the resistance. Ribbon band is now red. Short. Everything is bad. Everything is bad. The sun is bad. The clouds are bad. Bitcoin is bad. Everything is bad for today. So, okay, but guys, just a moment. It's not the big thing. Yes, we are going down, but, let me show you something. Yes, I know we lost the middle line also. Guys, I know it. It's really bad. But I showed you here since days what is maybe the next big thing for Bitcoin. So let me zoom out a little bit more. Let's go in here. Let's remove all these drawings. No, not all. This one here. And let me show you what is maybe the next thing. Guys, I showed you these triangles here, and maybe we are forming the next one here. What can we see here? We made this triangle, broke out to the upside, and if we are watching at the ribbon band, we can see we saw here a red ribbon band, under the ribbon band a triangle, bam, we broke out to the upside. Here, once again, red ribbon band, a little one red, the triangle, bam, we broke out to the upside. What's now next, guys? The EMA 200, this yellow line, is the big support here on this point. And now, for the moment, the EMA 200 is also support on this point. But guys, 50,000, really no. I know, guys, I know. But it's possible to form a triangle again, like this one here. Maybe we are forming this triangle and then we can break out over the ribbon band. This is the thing what we would like to see. For the moment, we're going down, yes. But guys, I would like to show you something here. Let's remove this stuff and this stuff here. So this is now a line, a resistance line from the upside. And guys, this is now, if we are drawing it like this one, the line like this, it's not working perfectly. But you can see one thing, guys. We see here a downgoing wedge, not a rising wedge, a downgoing wedge. But guys, we can also make another stuff here. And let me show you this one here. Let's remove this one once again and this one once again. And let me show you this line. From the downside here over these points to the upside, this is our big support line. This one, big support. And what can we see here next, guys? We can see here the next line from here to here. This is also a big line. This is our resistance line. And what can we see now? We can see here a rising wedge, a big rising wedge. And yes, guys, it's possible to go down here a little bit more, in my opinion. We can see if we're zooming in a little bit, this is the daily time frame. It's not so perfectly drawn, but it's not so important. You know what I mean. We have here the upper side of the triangle, 69,000, the last high, the all-time high. And we have also here a lowest point here on the downside. So guys, it's possible to go down to 50,700 to the bottom of this rising wedge. And yes, it's possible to see maybe something like this, maybe something like this. Here, a fight with the line. I hope for a fight here. And after this, a next pump to the upside, maybe like this, like this, like this. And then is the big question, can we break out to the upside or will we break down to the downside? First of all, this rising wedge is a bearish sign. Yes, guys, I know that. But remember, on the last pumps, we always saw these rising wedges and we broke out to the upside. So I think it's possible that we see a play out like this. This is the daily time frame. Every candle is 1 day. I think it's possible to go down again, 52,000 maybe, or maybe a little bit more, 53,000. It doesn't matter, guys. This is the big time frame. It's a little bit magic TA reading, but maybe we're going down to 53,000. Maybe then back up again, we make a new high. It's possible, guys. It's possible to see 70,000. Why not? It's possible. After this, down again and the sideways going. And guys, I think it's possible to see the big pump next year. Maybe not this year. I know everyone is telling you, oh, in December we're pumping to 100,000, 300,000, a million. Guys, I think it's possible that we're going sideways, a little bit up, a little bit down here for a longer time. Maybe December, maybe January, February, and then we can see maybe in March the breakout for Bitcoin. This is a really, really big magic glass reading, guys. I know it. It's really simple to it's a rising wedge. Okay, I know that, but I think that's possible. And that's one of the reasons why I'm still in a long position, in a big long position. Yes, I'm trading to the downside, to the upside. I'm selling high. I'm selling high. Yes, I'm selling high. I'm buying low and selling high. But guys, this is the bigger time frame, and on the bigger time frame, I'm still in a big long position because I think we are going down now. And if we can hold this point here, 52, 53,000, I will make a new buy in here for a new trade. But my long position, my really big long position, is holding for the moment, guys. Let me show you one thing why I think this point here on the downside is also really important. We can make here a really big, let me make it here a support zone. Why it is a big support zone, guys? I will show you this one here on the live screen. Yeah, okay. So this green one is a big support zone. Why, Biti? Why are you drawing here a big support zone? Guys, it's easy. So you can see it here better. First of all, if you're zooming out a little bit, what can we see? We saw big fights here on this support zone. Here we saw a fight, we broke out. Here we saw a fight again, we broke down. Here the next candle, perfect hit. Here the fight, here the fight, here the fight, here the fight. We saw a lot of fights here in these support zones. Here a perfect hit, guys. Here the next fight. And now maybe we are going down again to this price. That's the thing why I'm telling you guys, in my opinion, 53,000 is one of the biggest support zones here for the moment. If we're going down a little bit more, for the moment we are on 53,900. Maybe we're going down a little bit more. I will make a new buy position here for the next long here, if we watch the bigger time frames, guys. If we are watching the shorter time frames, maybe the 4 hours, before we make this, guys, let me check the 1 week time frame. Here is the 1 week. What can we see in the weekly time frame? First of all, the rising wedge. The next thing, what can we see, guys? We are for the moment, and that's the next thing here on this point. Here is the first ribbon band, guys. Here's the first ribbon band, and we are still over this ribbon band. So for the moment, this ribbon band is holding. The support for this ribbon band is holding. And what can we see? The ribbon band, the first line, is also on 52,000. So extreme big support here. A lot of stuff here for us, guys. Okay, but guys, if we lose this rising wedge to the downside, if we see a confirmed closing candle, a daily confirmed closing candle, or maybe a 4 hour, but a daily, we have bad cards and we need to watch Bitcoin. Maybe it will go down here more and more. And guys, if this rising wedge will break out to the downside, we have a really bad target. Let me show you this. This is the trend line. If we will break down, we can use it. Maybe we will break down here on this point to a bad, oh my God. Oh my God, it's not minus 8K, Angry Higgins. No, it's not minus 8K, but it's a really bad target, 14,000. Guys, I know it. I will become sometimes to the downside because, Biti, what are you talking? 14,000, 15,000. We will never see this again. Guys, this is the technical target. Here for the moment is on 21,000, the EMA to 100. And if we will break down from this, we have a technical target to 15,000. I know it, guys. It's really hard to believe. So we hope for breaking out this to the upside. It's a mega rising wedge, and I hope we can break it out to the upside. Guys, I will make a new video tomorrow with more details on the daily, on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. The video is too long for the moment, 12 minutes. Let me show you really quick before we end this video what is going on the 4 hour. Yes, on the 4 hour. So here is the 4 hour time frame. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's remove my Biti Da Vinci drawings here, and there's a really big bad candle to the downside. Big bad candle to the downside, and we can make one thing. On the 4 hour, we can make this one here, a parallel channel from the upside to the downside, from this point to this point. That's a bad bearish downtrend channel. I showed you this before. And guys, if we are watching this, you can see, yes, we are going down. Here on this point is maybe the support. I hope for this. And we need to fight back the middle line. We need to fight back this parallel channel downside. We need to break it to the upside, guys. This is really important on a 4 hour time frame. Ribbon band is here, is a big resistance. Everything is here. I know my cam is out, but it's not so important. You know what I'm looking about or how I'm looking. So guys, the next stuff, yes, really bad indicators. What's telling us the RSI? This is also really important. Oh my God, this looks really bad. If we are making one thing for the RSI, if you're making a trend line from the downside to this point, you have a support point. But guys, this is not so important. The support point is not so important. Forget it. RSI is going down. We are not oversold now, but we are really near about this 30.9, 31 points. We are really near to oversold, guys. Really near in the 1 hour. The 4 hour, sorry, guys. And the 1 hour, we are oversold. Look at this. We are so oversold for the moment on the 1 hour. Maybe we will see a little pump here next time, but I'm waiting for this support to the downside. Okay, guys, that's it. That's not looking really nice. One thing, last but not least, let's check the day. Let's check our Let me show you here the golden cross and death cross. Let me check this one here. So we can see, if we're zooming in a little bit, but let's remove everything here, remove the drawings. We can see, okay, we saw here the golden cross. Okay, it's a long way for a death cross. It's not so important. And we can see the green line. You see to the upside, EMA 200 is coming here on the downside, 50,000. And here's the red line, the SMA. Okay, guys, here's everything. Okay, everything is working on the daily. So this is the big thing I'm watching for. I'm watching for 52,000, 53,000, and then maybe the next leg to the upside. I hope for this, for a breakout. And guys, I wish you the best. It doesn't matter if you go long, if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions with your trade. So have a nice time. Greetings. And guys, please visit my live stream, Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. And you can see there are long signals, short signals, buy, sell, everything you need for trading. So have a nice time. Yours Biti. Bye-bye.